What's going on, guys? Kyle here from GuideWise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a customer support agent in Lindy. In the left column next to New Chat, select the drop-down menu and then New Workflow. You can start from scratch, but for this video we are going to use a template. In the search bar, type in customer support. We then have 4 different templates that we can choose from: customer support email, website customer support, SMS support bot, or support ticket dispatcher. So we are going to use customer support email. You can then read the description, improve your customer service with AI that drafts replies by referring to your company knowledge base. So we're going to go ahead and add this template. You can then connect Slack or your Gmail account. And now we have our customer support template available. You can then go through the template and make any necessary changes that you need to. Once you have completed that, make sure you test it in the top right corner and then publish it. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise.